Today we're making a paper heart. I know this is scrambled because I was trying to make another one, but I literally couldn't even, bro. Just stop looking at my grandma right now, okay, guys? It's okay, I'm looking at her, guys. I know, I cut it from this right here, from that. Then you just like cut it, that. Then we have like a square, okay? So, what are we gonna do? Yep, we're making a heart. I already told you guys. Okay, so first things first. We are gonna like put this like that. This. See? Then you do it on the other one. See this right here? This and this. This right here. Yeah, this looks like a transformer thing, but it's not even, bro. Okay, now we are gonna like put this thingy over here. Okay? Do the same thing on the other side, guys, okay? I'll do it right now. It's kind of harder. Yeah, I made it now. Yes, I made it. So the next part is to flip this. You flip this. Yeah, you have this. Wait, guys, I need to like already do something. I need to check, okay, guys? I would do this video, this right here. I have this right here. You flip it. You have this more. From right here, there's more. So now you have this thingy right over here. You're gonna make a triangle over there like this. You are gonna like do this. You guys are gonna do this. Right here, look it. You do this right here. Then do the other side, the same thing, guys, okay? Okay, guys? Let's... Do you know what my dream is? Yeah, my dream is to be a YouTuber, but yeah, we are a YouTuber. Okay, so this right here, you just sharp it. Other side. Yep, you have this right here. See? You have a hole right there. See? This is the thing. So now you're gonna do this. You're gonna like put this like that. You see this? You see me right here? You see me? Yeah or no? Yeah, so you do this, then you do the other side too, guys. Okay? So I'm gonna wait until you're done. Just for like 10 seconds, okay? Yeah, I think that's 10 seconds right now. So we're done with this right now. You see this? I know this looks, why do you're telling me this looks like an airplane, like this. Why does this look like an airplane? It's not gonna be an airplane, bro. Okay, guys? So you have this right here. You're gonna fold it. Let me show you. You have this right here. You see this? Do you see this right here? Yeah, so you guys need to like fold this. Like that. That's cool, isn't it? Now you need to do the same thing in the other side. Like that. Okay? You make it like a triangle, okay? Now, show off time. Guys, my birthday is in September 10th. It'll take like so. You need to turn this around. Guys, then you need to like do this. Then, guys, you see this right here? It's kind of hard. I can't even see, bro. So this is how you do it. So you guys, you have this right here. If it's hard for you, I'll tell you how to do the easier way, okay? So, you first, like, you have this right here. You guys are gonna shape this. Then you're gonna put this inside right over there. See? Like that. I put it. You're asking why? What do we need to do with this? You guys are gonna do this. You are gonna make a triangle right here. And the other side, do the same thing, guys, okay? See? Like this. Guys, now you need to like fold this thingy like this. Then you're gonna fold the other side too. Now you are gonna do this. You're gonna fold this like that. Then you're gonna do the same thing in the other side, guys. Like this. Now wait, I did this triangle wrong, guys, okay? Now, if you flip it over, it's a heart. Isn't that cool? Yeah, today, write in the comments if you like this heart that I made. Yeah, I know this thingy right here is like kind of down, but it's fine. Do you like this heart? Write it in the comments. Bye, and like and subscribe so we can get more viewers and more likes. And you can help me with the second video if you want, anybody. Bye.